Hey, we're at Gigabyte CES 2020. We have Julia, and we're going to talk about some of the laptops they have in store at CES 2020. Let's go ahead with the Aero.
Yeah, the Aero here. So this one is the same. This is both. We have two models here. So this is the Aero 15 OLED panels, which comes with the silvers and black version. So this one, yeah.
Comes with NVIDIA graphics card?
Yes, graphic card. They started from 1660 Ti to 2080s. So we have a few, quite a full range that you can choose for that. So this one is the OK OLED panel.
This is a 4K OLED panel?
Yes.
And with the Aero is designed for lightweight, high resolution for content creators.
Yeah, especially this part we want to highlight it for content creators is all our laptop has been certified by S-Right Pantone color collaboration.
Oh, nice.
So that means that it's ready before manufacturers.
So it's all optimized for Adobe for the content creators.
Yeah,
okay.
So this one is for the 70 inches one.
17-inch bigger screen.
Yeah,
is this
bigger
4K
screen.
as well?
Yeah, this one is 4K, and this one is best certified for HDR.
HDR 400 IPS panel.
Yes.
4K.
Yeah.
And it's 240 hertz. Right?
And this one is it's a 4K panel, so it's
6
so
years.
We have another one
Another
which comes
with
with the full HD's versions one. So this one comes with sRGB 100, Adobe RGB 100% color gamut.
So two versions. This is the 4K version.
Yeah. So
and then we have another one with the 240 hertz panel. Different model.
Yeah, so on the left side here is more focused on for the creators,
content creators,
because we have certified by RTX Studio. So this will help you to benefit and speed up your workflow for creators.
Nice, nice.
So here is
gaming laptop.
Yeah, gaming laptop. So this is the one that you probably will be looking for. It's a mechanical key switch, so just feel it.
Switch. Okay, cool.
So this one we comes with 240 hertz with i9 CPU. This one also comes with i7. Yeah, and this one started also from 1660 Ti to up to 2080s. So this one is the next piece graphic card.
This is a 240 hertz panel.
Yes.
Cool.
Yeah.
17-inch gaming laptop, mechanical switches.
Yeah.
i9.
Yes.
Cool.
Yeah. So
nice.
So when we talk about Aero thin and light here, we are not just focused on any 4K panels or OLED panels here. We also have a full HD panels here. So you can see for the both 17 and 15 inches, yes, you can find it with the full HD versions. So we are not, Aero is not just a brand that we will be doing for creators or thin and light. And you can also choose a full HD version.
Full HD.
Yes.
This is the other version with the 240 hertz panel.
Yeah. So for the next
17-inch and 15-inch. Cool. So that was the laptops from Gigabyte. So thanks, Julia, for your time.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.